Friends, today we shall study about the effectiveness NTU method. In the previous sections, we have studied about the LMTD method, log mean temperature difference method for analysis of heat exchangers. LMTD is given by theta I minus theta naught divided by ln theta I by theta naught. Is useful only when inlet and outlet temperatures of both the fluids are known or can be determined by using the energy balance between the hot and cold fluids. But when only the inlet temperatures of both the hot and cold fluids are known, then the LMTD method involves a trial and error procedure, which is quite tedious. In such situations, the heat transfer analysis of the heat exchangers becomes easy if you use the charts, effectiveness NTU charts. If you use the method based on the effectiveness NTU method, then what is the effectiveness? Effectiveness of a heat exchanger is defined as actual heat transfer divided by maximum possible heat transfer. Actual heat transfer is obtained by either heat lost by hot fluid or heat gained by cold fluid. Q actual equal to CH THI minus THO equal to CC TCO minus TCI. Now the maximum temperature difference and the maximum temperature heat transfer Q max equal to is obtained if one of the fluids undergoes a maximum temperature difference available in the heat exchanger, that is THI minus TCI. This maximum temperature difference is undergone by that fluid which is having minimum C, because the energy balance requires that heat lost by hot fluid should be equal to heat gained by cold fluid. Therefore, Q max equal to C minimum THI minus TCI. Then effectiveness of heat exchanger equal to Q actual divided by Q max. Q effectiveness equal to CH THI minus THO divided by C minimum THI minus TCI, or it is CC TCO minus TCI divided by C minimum THI minus TCI. Now another term associated with the heat exchanger is number of transfer units, NTU. Number of transfer units is a dimensional parameter which is expressed as NTU equal to UA by C minimum is equal to UA divided by C minimum. It is nothing but it is defined as heat capacity rate of the heat exchanger divided by heat capacity rate of the fluid in watt per Kelvin divided by watt per Kelvin. Heat capacity rate of the heat exchanger divided by heat capacity rate of the fluid. So if as U and C minimum are constants for a particular type of heat exchanger, NTU varies with respect to A. Therefore, NTU is a larger the value of A, large is the value of NTU. NTU is an indication of the size of the heat exchanger. Now another term used in the heat transfer analysis is capacity ratio. Capacity ratio is defined as capital C equal to minimum heat capacity rate divided by maximum heat capacity rate is equal to C minimum divided by C max. So we have defined three terms: effectiveness, NTU and heat capacity ratio C. For any heat exchanger, effectiveness is a function of NTU and heat capacity ratio and is obtained in the form of graphs shown below. Here you can see effectiveness is expressed as varies with respect to NTU for different value of R. R is varying from 0 to 1. Thank you.